I don't know my colors. We got to get you out of that. Hey, welcome to Good Enough Spanish. Today, we're going over colors in Spanish for adults. Now, be honest with me. Do you think that learning colors in Spanish is too childish, like kid stuff? Okay. Well, if you do, let's put that to the test, shall we? Now imagine you're shopping in Latin America and you see a shirt you just gotta have, but it's behind the counter. Now you need to say, I want the red shirt. Could you do it? Or you're out at dinner and the waiter asks, Vino Blanco or Vino Tinto, white wine or red wine? Do you freeze up? Or can you answer the freaking question? Hey, I ain't got all day. See, colors, they aren't childish. They're survival Spanish. And today, I'm going to show you why they matter more than you think and how to use them like a natural. I'm Rich B with Good Enough Spanish. Just hang with me and I'll get you where you need to be. Because I can't let you just roam out there in Latin America colorblind. You gotta know your colors. So if you want to learn Spanish good enough to travel more, build more confidence, and get more out of life, then go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Because trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. Now, hey, here's the thing. Colors are words that adults like us use every single day. Pass me the blue pen. My car is black. My cafe has green chairs. So Spanish is no different. And if you don't know your colors, you'll get stuck trying to describe even the most basic things. Talk about feeling like a 2-year-old. I don't know my colors. We got to get you out of that. But once you do know them, suddenly you can describe your whole world. You can order confidently, and you can even make small talk without feeling robotic. So let's look at some examples, shall we? Okay. Quiero la camisa roja. I want the red shirt. Mi Airbnb tiene una puerta verde. My Airbnb has a green door. Vino blanco o vino tinto? White wine or red wine? Which one you want? Or, ella lleva un hermoso vestido. She's wearing a beautiful red dress. Now, don't you go saying the wrong color, because you might get a smash. And you don't want that. Notice how natural these words sound? That's why colors are more than just beginner's vocab. They're practical Spanish tools you can actually use. Now, you may have noticed with the wine example, I use a different color to describe red. So let's talk about rojo versus tinto. See, Spanish doesn't call it vino rojo because red wine is not red like a crayon. It's dark and dramatic, like I have secrets type red. See, that's why they call it vino tinto. It's literally tinted wine. So yeah, your shirt can be roja, but that wine is tinted, baby. All right, let's go through the 10 main Spanish colors you'll need. Rojo, red. Azul, blue. Verde, green. Negro, black. blanco, white, amarillo, yellow, gris, gray, café or marron, brown, naranja, orange, morado, purple. Now, of course, there's many other colors, of course, but these are some of the main colors you're going to run into, especially in Latin America. Now, quick tip. Always practice these colorful words in sentences, not just isolated words. For example, mi carro es negro. My car is black. Prefiero café con taza blanca. I prefer coffee in a white cup. Don't ask me why. That's just how I like it. So you see, practicing the words in this way, using them in actual sentences, they'll actually start to stick. And you'll be ready to use them in natural conversations. Okay, now let me put you through the test. I'll flash some objects on the screen. And I want you to tell me what color it is before I do. This is colors in Spanish for adults. Are you ready? I say, are you ready? Let's go. What color is this? Negro, black. And what color is this? Blanco, white. And what color is this? Verde, green. And what color is this? Roja, red. And what color is this? Azul, blue. I see you. And what color is this? I know it's dirty. Don't worry about all that. What color is this? Amarillo, yellow. And what color is this? Not this. Café or marron, brown. Now, did you beat me? Be honest now. Because if you didn't, you need to rewind and watch the video again. Because the faster you can respond, the more natural you sound. So here's the takeaway. Colors aren't childish. They're not just kid stuff. Colors in Spanish for adults, they're more important than you may think. They're fundamental. They're all around us. They're part of all of our lives, controlling us in ways that we may not even realize. Traffic lights, stop signs, marketing, advertising, interior design. Hell, even money is green. You see what I mean? So you see, without colors, you can't describe the world around you. But with them, you can shop, order food, give directions, and connect with the people in a natural way. So master your colors, and you'll feel your Spanish confidence start to blossom like a beautiful rainbow. And hey, drop your favorite color in the comments below, and I'll reply with a sentence that you can start using today. Nos vemos pronto. What color is this? Not this. Café or marron, brown. Hey, don't get that mad at me because they got more than one word for brown. That's just how it is. A lot of synonyms in Spanish. We'll go over that in another video.